friends, good morning. Welcome to the Technical Tech Point. And in this video, we will make a link for your website and I will tell you how to make a URL for your website. Let me show you. I have created a project and I have created already a URL for my project. When I click to the URL, my project is showing to the website. So let's start. I have created a Ludo project. Wait, open folder, go to the Ludo, open your project and open. You can see I have created some files index.html and style.css. For you have to must uh, your entering point, your main HTML file should be index.html. It means your main or entering file name should be index.html. For after that, you need to uh, repositories. So let me show you how to create your repositories. So open your terminal, open your GitHub account. For creating a new repository, you have to open your GitHub account and go to the this add button. So create new repositories, tap to new repositories and give repositories some name. So I am writing my repositories name Ludo and scroll down, and this code will be public. Now after that we have to create in new repositories. Here your repository has been created and copy this HTTPS code or link. After copying that, you have to go to your VS Code and open terminal, and we have to initialize a git which monitor your all file activities. So git init for initialize your init file or git file, your initialize empty git repositories. When I write git status, here you can see this all file showing into your red color. It means this file not added to the git. So we need to add this file. Write git add dot means all file. So enter. Again we need to give some message to git commit -m, and I have added all the file. When I write git branch, here you can see your default branch is master, but we have to modify this master branch to main. So for modifying the branch, you have to write git branch capital M and main. Now you can see your branch name changed to main. Git branch. Now you have to create a remote. It means where you have to push your code. So for creating a remote, git remote add origin and paste your URL HTTPS code and enter. Your remote has been added, and now you can push your code to this remote. It means when you write git push -u origin main, and after that when you open your GitHub account and refresh this, your code has pushed to this repositories. Now your work to deploy this. So go to the setting and go to the page, and here you select your branch, and here you can select your main branch. And after selecting this, you have to tap on save. Now you move to the code section, and here you can see your yellow dot. It means your deploying is continue. It means GitHub is deploying. When you click on that, page builder and deployment build dynamically. So wait some minutes and refresh your website. It's take more time, so wait for that. After the done this work, you have to refresh your page once a time. Wait for a few minutes and refresh one more time. And here your success button is showing. It means your code deployed to the website. So go to the setting, and after the setting you have to go to the page file, and now you can see your website link has been created by GitHub. Go to the GitHub link, and your website is showing to the website. So for thank you for watching this video. For more useful video, like, share and subscribe this video. Have a good day.